Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by opening Outlook where the QR is located. This saves time versus searching later. Once done, make sure the message or invite is visible and not zoomed or cropped, because scanners need the whole code. If you use Outlook Mobile, allow camera permissions now. If you use a laptop, have a webcam or use your phone to scan the screen. Doing these steps first prevents interruptions and speeds the scan. You'll now perform the actual scan. Point your camera steadily and center the QR code inside the viewfinder so the app can detect edges and contrast. Once it recognizes the code, the scanner decodes the URL or data and presents an action. Tap to open the link or add details. If you're on desktop, position your phone a few inches away and angle to avoid glare. For Outlook Mobile, use the in-app scanner to keep context and save the result to the correct account. After decoding, follow the prompt to open the link, add a calendar event, or save contact details. This completes the workflow. If the scanner won't read the code, make sure lighting is even, wipe the screen, and avoid reflections. Then hold the camera farther back to let the app detect the pattern. If problems remain, close and reopen Outlook or use a dedicated QR app. This often clears temporary permission or rendering glitches so you can finish the task.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.